Morning. Gonna give everyone a minute to hop on here. It's telling everyone we're live. Give it just a minute. I'm gonna keep looking around here. All sorts of good junk. Good junk in the back. Just give everyone a couple minutes. Morning, Mom. You're my first one. There's Nick. He said he's gonna keep driving around in the background. Oh, that's funny. Good morning, everyone. You're with the Canton Junkie. Just giving everyone a few minutes to get on here. Morning.
You're part of the reason we're here. We've seen you on YouTube.
Oh, wonderful.
Yep.
Perfect. I normally take selfies with people who say that, but I'm on a live thing. So if you see me in the ground, stop me later.
Okay, thank you.
Glad y'all are here. Just saying hi to some people who said they're here because they saw my videos on YouTube. Perfect. Okay, so let's get started. I'm in the famous vendor fields here at First Monday Trade Days. I'm in I call it the bandstand. It is not a bandstand. I don't know what to call it, but I'm elevated up, so I've got the angle to where you can see some people going by, and I just thought it'd be like a fun angle to do this time instead of just all me. So you get some action in the background. So you're here with the Canton Junkie. We're in the famous vendor fields, and it's just beautiful today. I'm so glad we're here. We're doing a question and answer Q&A at the end. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them now. There's a comment box at the bottom of your screen. So we'll get to those at the very end. Okay, so it is Canton's First Monday Trade Days 150th birthday weekend. So it's full. There's people everywhere. I came in yesterday on Thursday and it was really busy. Even though it was still pretty hot, it was really busy. It was really exciting. There's a ton of vendors here. And this month officially makes 12 months in a row that I've come every month to First Monday to document this for you and share all the information I know. It's technically the 13th month in a row, but that first month we were just here for fun, like normal. And I said to my husband when we got home, hey, would it be nuts if I came every month and put it online, put it on social media? So it's technically the 13th month in a row I've been here, and I've never done that. I think the most times we ever came here were 4 times in a year. So I came every month, months that were slow, months that were wild, months that were 110 degrees. So it's been a really great year. So it's my year anniversary. It's the First Monday Trade Days 150th birthday weekend. It's a great weekend to be here. So my notes are down here. That's where I'm looking if I'm looking away. So like I said, there's stuff everywhere. Junk, rust, antique vendors. It's all here. Everybody's loaded. Good stuff. And what are you looking for? Are you looking for DIY projects? Are you trying to add to your collection? Are you decorating your house? Are you just wanting to dig for some cool, farm fresh stuff? Great weekend to come. Okay, let's see. So weather-wise, very humid and pretty much in the mid-90s all weekend. I would recommend checking out my YouTube video on how to do Canton in the hot months. Lots of tips, packing lists you can screenshot at the end, and that'll help you be prepared. Because I stayed pretty comfortable yesterday. I've got my neck fan. I actually have it on, but it's on the table. These are the best. The ones with the actual fan heads. Those are the best. I'll put that back. So I've had my neck fans. I use an umbrella to make my own shade. Makes a huge difference. I rent a scooter so I can kind of conserve some energy. And I have frozen bottles of water to keep me cool. Anyway, so if you're prepared, you can go all day. Let's see what else we've got. Oh yeah, so the other good thing is you can plan breaks in the air-conditioned areas. You might be surprised that there are a few air-conditioned spots. The biggest one is going to be the Civic Center. There's regular vendors in there. There's also cafeteria, nice regular bathrooms with a bathroom attendant in there, so you can take a long break in there and cool down. You can also cool down in the Twigs main building. It's that kind of red barn looking building. Let's see where else we can cool down. Dixie House, so if you're over by Pavilion 6000, the Dixie House over there is air conditioned. And on the opposite end, Martha's Restaurant, air conditioned as well, but I think they open at 11, but all the other places are already open. Oh, don't forget we're doing a Q&A at the end. If you have any questions, any comments, drop them in the comment box and we'll get to those at the end. Okay, let's see what else. I'm talking really fast. I must have had a lot of coffee this morning. Okay, so what else is going on this month here in Canton? So last month, Paul Michael Company made this big to-do that they had their shop here open. You know how big those buildings are, they're enormous, and they were both open and full of stuff, seasonal furniture, all sorts of things. And it was a big to-do because that place has been closed for over a year. I can't even remember exactly when they closed, but they've closed all their locations coming this way, and now they've only got the two in Round Top and then the Dallas Market if you have a wholesale license. So as we were driving in a couple days ago, they had a sign still up and they had like Christmas wreaths in the front outside. So they're still open and it says open every weekend. So I'm not sure if they have new stuff or if they're just, liquidating down until there's nothing left. So Paul Michael this weekend is an option. And apparently if you're driving through next weekend, it should be open. It's what it says. I have not stopped in. Okay. All right. Fantastic addition to your Canton experience. It's new, it's fresh, it is so well executed. Have you heard about the new app, Trade Day Navigator? Fantastic, 5-star, highly recommended. I think that especially with Canton turning 150 this weekend, it is long overdue for these updates. So you've got me doing social media presence, Instagram, YouTube. Technically I'm on Facebook also. And then you have this app and it's phenomenal. So it's going to help you navigate where buildings are, vendors, bathrooms, where's the emergency help? And you can even drop a pin where you parked. Because if you've not been here or you've been here a couple times, it is so easy to get turned around and have no clue where you parked. So you can drop a pin where you parked and find your way back. Again, Trade Day Navigator is the name of the app. If you're a vendor, you can sign up to have your specific location specifically put in the map, in your building, on your row, wherever you're located. It'll get people right to where you are. And if you're a shopper, you've got to have it. It's brilliant. Quick story, when my husband and I first came to Canton, I was just so excited. I don't even remember how I heard about it, probably just word of mouth. So we went online, this was like 11 years ago, we went online and we were, here comes my husband in the background again. Hello, Renfro Studio Boutique. Oh, there's my husband. He said to keep driving around in the back. Anyway, when we first came here, we went online and we found some website that listed these vendors. And since we had no clue what it was, there was nothing on YouTube about what it looked like or what to expect. We made this, we wrote out this list of where to go. And then when we got here, we parked where we now know is the famous Vendor Fields area. And we get out, we're like, what the heck? We're glad to see all this, but what we wrote down about where we wanted to go, we have no clue where that is. So now you can actually plan ahead. So you can still come and just wander around and hunt and have a great time. But if you're looking for specific things, specific vendors, specific buildings that you've heard about, this app is what you need. Trade Day Navigator. It's wonderful. Okay, let's see. Quick review on the event hours. I feel like I've got to hit this home because it is a little misleading, or a lot of misleading. First Monday Trade Days is advertised as a sun up to sundown, dawn till dusk. Not correct information. Not sure why they do that, but I'm here to tell you that, in the summer months, the sun's up till 9 p.m. This place is not going till 9 p.m. This place closes down at 4 or 5 o'clock most days, and in the super extreme hot and cold temps, probably closer to 2, 3 o'clock. This place is closing up. Today, people will be out here all the way till 5 o'clock, even in the heat, because the crowds will be big. There's so many things to see. But just remember, it's not dawn till dusk. It is generally 9 to 5. If you're here 9 to 5, you're good. You'll be fine. Hey, if you see me while you're out here, when I was starting the video, some people stopped me just who were walking by and said, "Hey, we're here because of you." If you see me out and about, because I've got signs on my wagon and my scooter, stop me. I'll take a selfie with you. I'll put it on my social media sites. It's so great to have feedback like that, because I know people are watching it, benefiting from it. I know more people are finding First Monday Trade Days simply because there's a social media presence now, by someone who's here consistently, not coming in one time. Someone coming in one time, it's interesting, but it doesn't actually help someone who wants to know more. And hey, the best way to support what I'm doing, if you are benefiting from these live things on Fridays, if you're benefiting from any of the YouTube videos or Instagram info, all I'm asking is, it's free, it's simple, it takes 5 seconds. Subscribe on YouTube. I'm not selling you anything. I just need a subscription on YouTube from you, because it populates it for more people. More people will find First Monday. That's the whole point, is to keep this thing going. Like, I always think, oh, this thing's been around forever. It ain't gonna die on our watch. Hey, it could. We got to keep it going and keep telling people how fun and awesome it is here. So that's Canton Junkie on YouTube. Okay, so I think I'll wrap it up. I do hope if you've got any questions that you listed at the bottom. Actually, we'll do that now. Let me scroll through here, see if there's anybody who's asked anything. Looks like a really nice morning, says my mom. It is humid though. I would have loved to have done my hair. Let's see, hello from Canton. Does it cost for vendors to do that? So on the app, yes, it is very minimal. The Trade Day Navigator app, it's a monthly subscription for you as a vendor of $12. You can go on the app, sign up right there. The proprietors of the app are actually here every week, and they are so nice, Zach and Robin. They've created the app themselves. He's an engineer who does surveying. He knows exactly what he's doing for making maps, so it's beautiful. And they have been going around and talking to people, but it's, this place is humongous, and this weekend it's full. So they may not get to everyone, as you can imagine. So you can sign up right on the app, and you can pay month to month. So if you only come in for like the fall months and the spring months, you only have to pay for those months. But $12 is so cheap if it gets your customers directly to you. Let's see, I saw you and saw your wagon. Oh, thank you. Yes, it does stand out. I think I'm the only person here with the bright hot pink wagon. I also have a purple umbrella, so I'm kind of obvious. Okay, it looks like that's all the questions this morning. Don't blame you, people are out shopping and vendors are selling. Okay, if you see this in a replay, you can always ask a question. I'll answer as soon as I see it. Okay, y'all. Let me see. So today, I'm mainly planning to capture crowds. So crowd views, lunch crowds, things like that, to kind of show people what it looks like in a fall month with heat, so that people will know what to expect. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. Get the Trade Day Navigator app, subscribe on YouTube, and enjoy your weekend. Bye!